देखिए, संघ परिवार कभी भी भारत की डाइवर्सिटी को मानने को तैयार न थी, न है। संघ परिवार जहां उनको सूट करता था वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को इस्तेमाल करते थे सत्ता में आने के लिए। अब जब इनको पावर मिल चुका है, इनका असली चेहरा सामने आ रहा है। This is the obnoxious statement by the Honorable Chief Minister of the biggest state of India is an insult to our Constitution. It is an insult to our founding fathers. It is an insult to all those members who sat in the Constituent Assembly under the leadership of Baba Saheb Ambedkar and made this Constitution. In the Constitution, in the preamble, what is liberty of thought? Does that not reflect secularism? What is Article 14, 19, 22, 25, 26, 29, 30 of the Constitution? Does that not reflect our secular ideals and values? Thirdly, Sangh Parivar has a double face on this issue. When it suits them, they say that the country is secular because the majority is secular. Now the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh says that secularism is itself a threat to India's progress and prospect. And fourthly, the Chief Minister says that in the world we are not getting a rightful place because of secularism. So I would challenge him to go and complain to the Prime Minister. In last 6.5 years, the BJP and the Sangh Parivar claims that under the leadership of the Prime Minister, India has made a mark in the global field. That has been clearly contradicted by his own Chief Minister. That shows that India has no position in the world. And who is bringing down India's name? It is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Fourthly, did China enter India's LAC and occupy the Pong Song Su Lake, the southern and northern part, the Depsang and everywhere? Is it because of secularism did we lose our brave 17 soldiers? Is it because of secularism that China is still sitting inside India's LAC? In Ladakh and in other parts of our country? Is it because of secularism that petrol, diesel, LPG prices have risen so much? Is it because of secularism that the country's youth is not being provided employment by the Narendra Modi government? We want to know from the government of India what is their statement, what is their thinking on what this obnoxious statement has been made by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. I would like to warn the people of India who still hold the ideals of our democracy, who still hold our founding fathers as our heroes. Today it is secularism, tomorrow it will be fraternity and justice as well. What has been stated today by the BJP Chief Minister is a starting point, and tomorrow they'll talk about liberty and fraternity, tomorrow they'll talk about fraternity and justice as well.